Good morning, everyone. This is Melissa. I am going to be doing a flip through of a digital kit that I'll be working with this week, and it is from Studio28E Journal Creations, made by Czmyr, our friend Czmyr. It is called My Valentine, and it is a digital printable kit on Etsy. I will link below down here, the link to her Etsy shop. All right, off we go. This kit, again, is called My Valentine, and I'm just going to flip through the pages and introduce you to the new kit. And on these, I did use a piece of ledger paper and backed. And there's bits of ephemera on the side. This is going to be a traveler's notebook size. And I'll show you the project that we're going to be working on when I am done through the flip through. So those are extra ledger papers I printed off. And there are 2 full sheets. And there you go. So the project that I'm going to be working on is has to do with paper bags. And I love folding paper bags to make little clutches or little journals. So this is just the small lunch bag, and I get these from Walmart. And I've already folded them, and I've added a magnet onto this side, inside the where you fold it together, and I'll go through all that whole process with you tomorrow. But this is what we're going to be doing, and these get folded like this, and that folds over, and then you have a small clutch. Alright, so go check out Sherri's shop and grab that kit if you want to work along with me. If you have any paper bags, it doesn't matter what size it is, you can always adjust your paper to fit. Excuse me. All right, until tomorrow, have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.